A ThruNite in your hands. Get a ThruNite while you can. Lumens, boom, ba ba na, bam, 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 ba na na. ThruNite, get those lumens in your hands. Save me. All I can do is flash with my flashlight. Dun 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 dun, dun from ThruNite. Dun 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 dun. What's up, guys? Here's a special 30% off. The ThruNite TC12 V2 handheld flashlight, 1100 lumen. Right? This thing is sweet. I have one. I'm going to unbox it here in a minute. All right? This thing is awesome. That's all the stuff it comes with. But you'll see here in just a second when I do the unboxing. Get a ThruNite in your hand. What up, everybody? Here is the ThruNite TC12 micro ... included TC12 V2 CW new. What else we got in here? Cool white. This is the cool white. Okay. There's 30% off. You want one of these flashlights? 30% off from today till the 20th or the 21st. I forgot what she told me. Let's see. Today through, where'd she go? Oh, over here. Let's see here. Please screw down light head and tail cap tightly before use. That was my first mistake. Packing slip. 30% off code. 30 TC12V2 is the code. Starts on the 15th today. Ends on the 21st at midnight. Packing slip. The V2. TCV2. This thing is sweet. Very sturdy. Comes with a battery. You can recharge it from here. Already been playing with it a little bit because I always recharge them before I review them. The switch is on the back this time. That's like really low. And then it has 5 different modes, at least that I know of. I haven't read the directions yet. I'm saving that for the video. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it goes right back to 1. That's insane, right? That's a big difference. And the on-off switch is from the back. Plus, you could just push it without locking it in to do that. Plus, you could do this and then double click. I think that's turbo. Wait, oh, you hold it down on this one. Hold it down, and there you go. You got your dance light, which I'll demonstrate later, of course. And you turn it off from back here. So this is your TC12, the switch in the back. It's got, you know, I'll explain the things in a second. So let's put that down. Next thing in the box, we got a foam triangle with an identical foam triangle cut out and a little glitch right here. The machinery was a little off that day. Quality control. Just kidding. We have the instructions, something I don't like to mess with, but with these flashlights, there's a learning curve. Like you have to turn it on from the back and then plug it in for it to start charging. What else we got here? ThruNite. Your voice matters. Get a free gift. 30 days by sharing on your social media. This is the stuff, accessories. I love the strap they give you. It's a cool strap. Plus it has like a little locking mechanism. So when you put it around your wrist right here, it locks. So your flashlight really isn't going anywhere. Your expensive flashlight. The only thing I really saw in some of the reviews is that don't be dropping these flashlights. Well, I mean, flashlights in general are fragile. I mean, I'm not saying these are fragile, but a little bit of shock from hitting a pavement or something could dislodge the bulb or whatever. Just try not to drop these. So there you go. There's your nice handle there. What else does it give you? Backup O-rings, backup charger cover, backup back switch, backup gasket for your thingy. And then this I love personally, this little Belt clip. Very strong belt clip. I always like to line it up here with the button. See what I mean? And then you got to push, and it's on there. And there you go. Here's your complete flashlight. And if that's not enough, ThruNite throws in a nice nylon sheath with the belt loop and the little hook there. So they got you covered, man. And these are 55, I think, with 30% off. So if I do that and carry the 155 minus 30%, so that's 10, that's 5, that's 15, 1650. Did I just do that in my head? All right, so that's the box. That's everything in the box. Let me read the directions, kinda give you some stats here. Remember, go to the link, get one of these flashlights. This one's even better than the one they sent me the first time. The function, it's a different function and stuff. So let's go here. It does have turbo mode, 1100 lumens for 2.2 hours. High, 472 lumens, 3.4 hours. Medium, 200 lumens, 8.7 hours. Low, 21 lumens, 2.5 days. Firefly, that's probably the first one. Firefly, 0.5 lumens at 49 days. And then the strobe is 1100 lumens for 3.6 hours. That's a long time. Voltage, blah, blah, blah. Comes with the battery. This thing couldn't be any easier. Operations, user manual. Other languages. How to charge. Warranty. 2 years free replacement. We will offer free replacement within 2 years of purchase if problems develop with normal use. 30-day refund by Amazon. Lifetime limited maintenance. All right. So there you go. Now I'm going to go test this in a closet or something because it's daytime and I'm running late. So I'm going to find the darkest closet. Now I'm trapped in the closet. Stand by. Trapped in the closet. I gotta say, it's dark in here, okay? So let's turn this on. This is on number 1, or I guess you could call this Firefly. I'm not really sure if this is Firefly, but... So this is 1, okay? And you can see the blue light. I can't see the... Oh, it doesn't do it on Firefly, I guess. So, there you go. So there's 2. Now I'm trapped in the closet. So you see, I'm in the closet. I'm just pointing it down at the ground, to the left, to the right. Okay? Pointing it behind. I'm pointing it at a wall now. It really reflects off the walls. Let's go to 3. Oh, what just happened? 1, 2, 3. Pointing it at the ground. Not much to reflect off down there. Pointing it off the clothes. Pointing it off the clothes. Pointing it off the back wall. It doesn't even look like I'm in a dark closet. So let's turn this off completely. I'm definitely in a dark closet. So there's number 3. And this has a blue light, as you can see, except in that Firefly mode. And just look how bright that is. So let's go to the next one. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the 4th level. I guess if you leave it on, it goes to dim and then back to... So that way, look how bright that is. And then it goes down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Again, I am in a closet with a flashlight. Completely dark in here. See that? It is pitch black dark. This thing's amazing. By the way, I have taken it in the backyard and stuff. So there's that. I guess all I gotta do now is some dance moves, right? Alright, finish this video. Anyway, get this TC V2. Let's try the strobe. There you go. Off the back wall, off the ground, left, right, up at the ceiling. This thing is sweet, man. So, TC12V2, I'll put the link in the description. Plus, you get 30% off. So, should be less than $40 for this flashlight. That is a steal in itself. Again, that's still on number one. And you could just, you know, run that for a long, long time. All right, I'll leave you with some dance moves and peace, tranquility, chicken grease. Thanks for watching my ThruNite video. Get you one of these, man. Get one. Why wouldn't you? These things are unreal. They're amazing. I want more. All right. See you. Thanks. Bye.
Sorry ass DJ.